Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, a cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Today, it's absolutely beautiful in Pensacola, Florida. It's hot already, and I think it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, and the sun is baking the skin off the side of my face already. All right, guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars. We're here with a reminder video, but I want you to see this video here and this video here. What we're going to do is a reminder on doing your windshield wiper blades. These blades here on this motorhome are about 40 bucks a piece, and they're years old and they still work great because we've been using butt wipes on them. I'm just kidding you. Using our own 303 wipes, and all you have to do is watch that video on how to make these, and they're cheap, very affordable to be able to do your own 303 wipes. And I'll show you how to figure out if you're doing your wipers enough or not doing them enough. Now, the one thing I do want to point out is the best oil out there you will ever use, the best lubricant. Throw away your Slick 50, throw away your WD-40, throw away your PB Blaster. You don't need 14 different oils and lubricants. This is all you need right here, and it'll be in the tools list. Julio, tell everybody where everything's at.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson, Clint Eastwood, Silver Glisley, and of course, Alex Guzman. Now, on the video where you make these, it's real simple. It's, like I said, dirt cheap. Pull one out. They are soaked in 303. And all you do is pull your wiper out like this, and you can tell if they're dirty or if they're black. If they're black, that means you haven't been doing the 303 long enough or enough times. We say at least 4 times a year. Now this one comes off, if you can see it, don't want to get too close because it get blurry, but it's kind of dirty. That's what you want. You don't want to see this right here. That is black. And that came off my van. I dropped the ball on it and I wasn't doing my wipers enough. That's rubber that's deteriorating off of your wiper blades. And yeah, you can buy new wiper blades and spend the money on them, but why should you have to when you could just do 2 swipes, down and back, done. That's it, 4 times a year. And you can stick that back in the container because there's still tons of 303. You see how shiny my fingernail is? There's still tons of 303 on that. But check out the oil and check out the video on how to make these. It's dirt cheap. I'm telling you, I'm trying to save you some bucks here. Times are tight right now. It's not the same way it was 3 years ago when things were good, if you know what I mean. Sweet Project Cars, out.